Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how to remove the fisheye effect when you're recording footage on your GoPro Hero. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So the GoPro has a very wide angle lens on it, which can be great for action shots. However, sometimes the footage can be very warped and bendy across the screen. How can you go ahead and remove that wide angle or the fisheye effect? Well, this is actually really easy to do. So I'm just under the record option right now for video. If I look right where it says activity and I tap on that with my finger and go to that. Okay, so now under this screen, let's scroll down to the plus icon. Or we can pick one of the presets. So let's go down the plus icon. I'm going to choose video. Then under here where it says wide lens, let's select wide lens and scroll down. And we're going to look for an option called linear. Now you do have the option for narrow, but I think linear looks the best. And it kind of removes that kind of warp effect across your screen. And you do have the option for linear horizon level. So let's just choose linear. Then let's go over to Res FPS. And on my GoPro, I have 4K as an option at 60 frames per second. So that's the highest I can go. Now on your GoPro, you might have 2.7K at 60 frames per second, your highest. So perfect. So it's set up with linear. Then I have Hyper Smooth on for stabilization. Now let's go ahead, go to the check mark in the upper right and save this preset, and you can name it. So I'm going to name this one bike. So now if you look across my screen right now, I'm looking at my kitchen counter and you can see there's barely any kind of like bend to it at all across my screen. And it's kind of removing that warp or fisheye effect. So that's pretty much it. Just change your lens over to linear and you should be good to go. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.